Alright, so for the second one, I gave you a fictional element rhodium, Kc, with an atomic rate of 1985, and two isotopes, rhodium 18 with 18.995 and 19 with 19.986, and asked you to find the isotopic abundance of each. Now to do this, we're going to need to set up an equation. 1 minus x times the lighter, which is 18 Kc, plus x times the heavier isotope, which is 19 Kc, and that's equal to average of Kc. Now I'm going to give you a formula like this on the test. I'm not going to expect you to set it up. I'll always give you the formula set up per class. So all you have to do is fill in the proper masses from the problem, which we said were 18.995 plus x times 19.986 equals the average of Kc. In math, when I get something like this, I need to distribute this to all the terms. So I distribute and I get 18.995 minus 18.995x plus 19.986x equals 19.85 from the problem. No problem. Apparently I can't erase that. Whatever. What I need to do is I need to move this term over and get the x's by themselves. Minus 18.995x plus 19.986x equals my 19.85 minus my 18.995, you know, and then I can combine my like terms of my x's, and I end up getting something like 0.991x equals 0.855. So I solve for x, and I find it's equal to 0.862 with some division. Now this 0.862 is this x here, right? Which is tied to my 19 Kc. So I can say that 19 Kc equals 86.2%. Just moving the decimal point over, because I solved for that x. Which means that my 18 Kc has to be whatever's left over, 100% minus 86.2, which is going to give me 13.8%. And I'm done. This is my final answer. The x you solve for is always going to be the percent of the heavier isotope, especially when I give you the problem and it's set up. So all you have to do is know that to finish this out. And it just becomes an algebra problem solving for x. It's a couple steps of algebra, but never too difficult. And drop in what you solve for x for the heavier one, subtract 100% minus whatever you got for that x for the lighter one. Make sure you're careful to make them percents or note them as clear decimals for each. I don't care which way you do it, and that will get you to the right spot.